After much fighting and fussing, I managed to get this piece out of here, and I unscrewed the pinion screw, which thankfully I accidentally bought this thing on eBay a long time ago. I bought the wrong one, but who knew I'd be able to use it? I didn't put it on video because it wasn't very pretty. So, and now I gotta get this piece out of here. So online I was told that if you take this piece here and you tap it with a brass punch, you should be able to get out of here. So hopefully it works. Get a good thing on there and just apparently it doesn't want to come out. So what I did a while ago is, it's freezing cold in here, took some map gas, heat it up around here. I did it just long enough for to see the inside of it. This safely store it there. Put this on here. See if we can pop this out of here now. Shit, come on, in there. Come on. Should come out. Looks like it moved. Moved a bit. Maybe it didn't move at all. Looks like it's... I don't know. It's crunchy, that's all I know. It seems like it moved, but let's see. Nope, it's not moving. Let's hit it with some more heat. Shit. Let's turn this off for a second. I'll get back to you. Well, lo and behold, a brass punch and a little bit of heat and a little bit of spice, everything nice. We got this out. This is what's got to come off. The gears are fine because it looks like it's shredded, but it's actually just brass shavings. So I'll show you. There we go. See? Nice. This bearing, you could feel it's like crunchy. Won't even go out. So yeah, there's dirt and mud in there and all kinds of shit. Apparently I gotta clamp this in something and pop this off. And then I think I gotta press this out that way. This I think is what's keeping the bearing on. So yeah, should be interesting. Not really sure how to this I'll work on. But anyway, the outer casing is what I'm gonna do first. So anyway, thanks for watching, Toodles, and keep watching. Thanks for subscribing, Toodles. Yeah, this is what 39 years of abuse. I say 39 because it's an 87, and it's 2006 right now. So 39, 40 years of. But look at this. That's what happens when you swamp a bike out. Look at this thing. It's like this one looks okay, but it's horrible. This one is. But look at the inside. Yeah, okay. These seals, I'm not really sure if the grease is horrible. I had to, the seal on the inside of the differential, I think it was in here. It wouldn't cooperate, so I pulled it out for the most part. I think next is the pinion bearing. I think the one in here, it's got to come up. I think it's right in there. So I don't know. We'll find out if it's original or not. Oh, wait a minute. This doesn't even have a hole in there. It's supposed to have a hole in the little line. That one doesn't. Ooh, I guess we'll figure out how to pull that one out. Fun. Till my daddy took the T-bird away. Okay, but anyways, this is pretty old, pretty crazy.